as I given you assignment based on your fraction chapter. So we had started the fraction chapter, only basic we had done and its type we had done. So first of all, first question we are starting here. You have to write an equivalent fraction for each by the multiplication. Multiplication means you have to find out the equivalent fraction of any fraction using multiplication method. Means you have to multiply the fraction with the same number to the numerator and to the denominator. If you are taking 1 here, if you will start from the 1, then the answer will be 1 by 3 only. That will be remain same, so we will start from the 2. So any number you can take here to find an equivalent fraction using multiplication method. So I am starting with the 2 only. 2 2, that will be your 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. Same here, B part, we had taken 2 only. 2 7s are 14, 8 2s are 16. So this is the equivalent fraction using multiplication method. Second is you have to find out the equivalent fraction for each by division. Means now you have to divide something so that you can be able to do the equivalent fraction. For this, it is very simple. You can say, for example, 4 by 6 is given to you, so you have to reduce it to the lowest form. Means you can able to find the equivalent fraction. So 4 and 6 both come in 2 table. So if we will divide 4 by 2, then it will be 2. 6 by 2, then it will be 3. So 2 by 3 is the equivalent fraction of 4 by 6. Same you can do the second example also. Okay, then answer will come out to be 5 by 7. Third question is that you have to check whether the following fractions are equivalent or not. Means two fractions are given to you and you have to check whether these are equivalent fraction or not. What are equivalent fraction? Different numerator, different denominator, but having the same value. You know that 3 by 4 is in the lowest form already. You cannot cut further. But 9 by 12 you can cut. Means you can reduce it in the lower form. So we are cutting on 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Same is here. 7 by 8 is your lowest already. So 21 by 24 you can reduce it on the table of 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So 7 by 8, 7 by 8 both comes out to be 7 by 8. Means these both are also equivalent fraction, yes, and these both are also equivalent fraction, yes. Now next question is you have to give the true false. So first is 2 by 3 is an example of proper fraction. Yes, of course it is an example of proper fraction because in this numerator is less than your denominator. So that means this is your example of proper fraction. Next is 1 4 by 3 is an example of improper fraction. No, it is a mixed fraction. Whenever there is a whole number and a proper fraction combination, then it is known as mixed fraction, not improper fraction. So it means answer will be false. Now next is 1 by 2 is an example of unit fraction. Unit fraction means numerator equals to 1. Here you can see that numerator is equals to 1. So that means it is an example of unit fraction. So answer will be true. Next is 9 by 4 is an improper fraction. Here numerator is greater than your denominator. Means for improper fraction this is the condition only and here it is satisfying. So the answer will be true. Now next is given to you that 3 fractions are given to you and you have to tell that whether these are example of like fractions or not. If you can see here, denominator are different. Denominator are different means they are not the like fraction, they are unlike fraction. So this means the answer will be false. This is for the assignment which I had given you. So I hope you had already done it and you had done correct also. So match your answers from here. Thank you.